Hi friends, welcome all. Welcome to TechieMit. Today in this video I will cover the topic on streams processing. So today we'll see something that is related to parallel processing. So let's go for it. So in the program you can see there is a I taken class and there are some code snippets over there. So start with uh, I have taken a sequential processing example. So it corresponds to IntStream as we have seen already in the last video. There is IntStream object where I have created, and using the IntStream object I have given call to the range close. So it will take the integers from the range from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the stream means a sequence of numbers, and in string is sequence of integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is sequence it will take, and range close means it include the mutually exclusive inclusive 1 to 5 are included in it. And I've just taken perform for each operation over there and printed those numbers. And the main point here is firstly I've taken for sequential processing, that is the main without the parallel processing, and followed by the here the crux and the main point comes right with parallel processing. So with parallel processing I've taken the numbers as 1 2 3 4 5. So what here differs, here when you parallel processing importance line is it treats each element to be processed as by a separate thread, and it processes a chunk of elements in the stream. So it internally supports multi-threading or multi-processing, you may call it, in parallel processing. So that's the advantage, and mainly it can overtake over sequential processing. And in the real world example, the parallel CPU functions can perform in parallel processing. So that's the advantage. And followed by this simple example of printing, I have taken a list. See, 1 2 3 4 5. This is a simple again integer list, and I've just taken the name of the thread that is contained over here. So while printing 1 2 3 4 5, it will recursively give call and check which thread is currently executing. So accordingly, it will print what is the thread executing currently, and that we can see in front of the screen. Followed by that, similar example I've covered in the context of parallel processing. First is the sequential processing. So while printing 1 2 3 4 5, we'll see which thread it will add given list. It's just called with the static method of current thread and give invoke the get name function over it. And same on similar after the sequential processing. Similarly, I've taken in context of parallel processing. See again, there is a list, array as list. I follow it 1 2 3 4 5 5 numbers, and I've given call to them uh, using parallel processing. Only here what will differ. See, so here see. Oh, mistakenly I've taken this as parallel. So firstly we'll take the parallel stream over here, and followed by the sequential stream. So just typo error. So firstly, for parallel stream, the important thing to note is that while using parallel stream, you have to explicitly mention it as parallel stream. So the compiler will understand that it's a parallel stream to be processed. And if it's not just parallel stream, then it's no need to give the parallel stream word over there, keyword, and it will execute as a normal stream over there. Now let's see the output of this on the screen. I'll just run his Java application. Okay, yeah. See, first was the example of sequential processing of the IntStream. Which I take the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, in sequential processing, as I told, it directly printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Printed the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And yeah, now here, as I told, parallel processing is differently processed. So it doesn't process the number sequentially. So it has randomly printed any numbers as a 3, 2, 1, 4. So quite you notice there is no specific sequence to be executed in which we want to print it. In terms of parallel processing, it will allocate the thread, and the thread independently will print the one of the element of the stream that is present in the chunk. So but the main advantage lies in terms of speed over here. So parallel processing is much more faster in terms of sequential processing. So in regards, when you want more speed, then we'll go for parallel processing. This was the first example. Followed by that, parallel processing of threads. See, in terms parallel processing, just again 3, 5, 4, 1, 2. See, again, these are 5 numbers, but the execution is not same as using in the above parallel example. So the point to note here, it can randomly print any numbers within the given range, but yeah, it will allocate a separate thread and it will get printed. Let's see, over here it is printed at forkjoinpool.com and pool worker 3. So here is the difference. And here below in the it will in the sequential processing, just print in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all are named. And no fork join pool concept is over here in terms of parallel, in terms of sequential processing. Only fork join pool concept comes with parallel processing of streams. So here is the difference, and see the order is relevant, but the point here is the execution is faster of parallel processing of threads as compared to sequential processing of threads. So this video was all about regarding the importance of parallel processing of streams. Do keep liking, subscribing, #TechieMit. Bye for now. See you.